Hello everyone. This is my final project for internet programming. It's called SDR World. It is a modern Django e-commerce website um, for selling software-defined radios and accessories. It features a product catalog with category and subcategory browsing. It has user registration, login, logout, and profile edit. It has a personalized dashboard which has recently viewed items, reviews, and card summary. It has Ajax powered star rating and reviews. It has a custom admin panel, which means that it has no Django default admin. Um, it has a shopping cart simulation with add, remove, update, and checkout. But of course, because it is a school project, it has no payments, no payment API. It is implemented. Um, it has a recommender system for similar items. It has media uploads like product images and avatars. And all CSS and JavaScript assets are organized in the static folder. And it uses Bootstrap, jQuery, and Ajax. For the backend, as we said, this is a Django framework which uses Python. And in the front end, we use Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, and jQuery. For the database, the default is SQLite. Um, and let's start with the demo. So we are here in the SDR World home. Um, Here we can see the categories. We can browse from category to category and subcategories as well. Now I'm in the SDRs, go back to all products, and now I'm in the HackerFs. Uh, let's go back to home. This is a recommender system that recommends similar items as we said before. A search bar. Here I can search for S. It's gonna show sticker and SDRs which start with S. I can write, of course, more, but let's go back to home for now. What we can do is to view an item, we just click on view details or the picture, and it shows the item name, the brand, the price, the description, an average rating, which basically takes all the reviews and adds them together and then uh, finds the average. Um, we can add to cart. We'll do that in a second. And write a review. Let's check the review first. So let's say I'm logged in as admin right now, so my review is gonna change. I'll say perfect, and now we have updated it. Um, let's add this. Let's add actually 10 of this product to cart. Let's go to cart. Here you can see that the cart is updated. We can also update here from for the number of products that we want. We can update from 10 to 15, and now the subtotal is 75. 15 times 5. Let's check out in the cart. We have an address. We can just type address 1 for now and something for email.com. Country, let's say, let's just say, I don't know, Brazil for now. And we can add um, a phone number. We confirmed it. Thank you for your order. Your cart has been cleared. Now we can continue shopping, but since I'm logged in as admin, let's go to the admin panel and check for ourselves the orders that we have. Here we can see the order with order ID, user, email, date that it was done, the total number from the checkout, the items that were purchased, the address, country, phone number, status, update status, and delete. Here, in order for us to rate a product, we have to come here in this panel and mark it as completed. So now it is completed, and we can go back and rate this product. It's very useful here because we can sort by ongoing completed orders, so we know, and also by what uh, they were made, so we know how to manage our store later on. For example, the ongoing orders are going to be the orders that haven't been processed yet, and after we ready up the equipment that we want to sell, we mark as completed, and now um, we can send the products, and the users can um, have them shipped. So I also have a dark mode. This is the dark mode. It works in the whole admin panel, but let's go back to normal. Here we can find the products in the admin panel. We can manage all SDR products in the catalog. We have categories and the users. Let's go to products for a second and see that we can add products, edit them, and delete them. Um, let's go change the name of the HackRF and make it, actually, let's go change the P12 and call this um, SDR2. And the description, this is an SDR. For image, we can pick whatever image we want, but for now I'm just placing in a placeholder. Let's save the changes and go back to home and check the product. Now we have SDR2, and it was previously reviewed as perfect. Let's go to the admin panel again, check the categories. Here we can see the categories and the slugs. So when someone is in that category, the this specific slug is provided for the URL. Um, we can add categories. Let's do um, SDR subcategory, SDR sub. Let's put this and put it under SDRs. Why not? Now we can go back to home, check all products, SDRs, and we can see SDR sub. We don't have any items in the SDR sub, so it shows no products. We can also delete. Let's delete this. Perfect. Now we don't have the SDR sub. Let's go back to the admin panel and check the users. For now, I only have 3 users: the super user, who is admin, an editor, where the editor cannot delete or edit the users, only the normal users, not the super user and other staff members. The admin has full access to everything, and the user does not have an admin panel shown in the navbar, so they cannot access all of these processes. Let's go. Um, let's check what we can change here. We can change the username, the email, the password, and we can make them stuff or not stuff staff. Let's see what else we can see. We can see the dashboard. Here we see the recently viewed items, the reviews that we have left for them, and the cart summary. Right now we don't have anything in the cart. Also here, your cart is empty. Let's edit profile to see what we can change. We can change the address, the phone number, the avatar. Here I have put my avatar for admin, and we can save changes. Let's go to log out and try to log in with a user, or we can register. Actually, let's register first. um, User 2, user 2. All right, Let's see what a normal user sees when they are logged in. Um, let's see. Great. So, first of all, they see a welcome message and they see that they haven't viewed anything or reviewed anything because they're new in their dashboard. And now they see the whole product catalog in the home page. Here, they can change their profile, um, the profile details, everything that the admin could, but without the admin button. So let's go to review a product. Can we? No, we can't, because you can only review this product if you have purchased it. That means that I have to purchase this SDR2, um, and it goes to the admin panel for the admin to click on completed for the order to be completed, and then I can come here and leave a review. So let's do that. Let's go to cart, proceed to checkout. As you can see, it needs to be validated. So let's add an address, continue shopping, and go back to admin panel. Let's see, admin, orders. Let's check it as completed, update, and log out. So, user 2. Let's see. We have now access to reviewing this product, and we can add 1 for the rating and say that it was bad. So let's see what happens now. From 5 stars, we get 3 out of 5. And we see all the reviews here. Now let's go see what the editor can do. This is the last part of the website. Editor 1. Wait. Great. So the editor has access to the admin panel. They can also see all the catalog. Let's go to the admin panel though and check the products. We can edit, delete, add products. We can check the orders and mark them completed or ongoing. And we can also go to the categories and fix the categories if there's an issue, and check the users. As you can see here, we only have access to edit, delete normal users, no staff and super users. That is for security issues. And the editor, which can be called something else as well, it is a staff member. And having staff members um, makes it easier for a website to be managed, because you cannot manage a whole website by yourself. So you might want to use um, you might want to have some editors or some staff members in your team. You want to give them staff access to do basically the job that you want to do, without hurting the website. That's it. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you liked it. It is hosted in Python Anywhere for now, and um, I'll provide the GitHub link as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.